and welcome to County Corvette. My name is James Turner. I wanted to show you a 1954 Chevy pickup truck we just got done doing some work on for a customer down in Virginia. I just bought the truck recently to be a kind of fun grocery getter, run some errands. So he sent it up to us to hot rod a bit and modernize, make it a little more fun to drive. We added a vintage air conditioning system. We upgraded the ignition with a Petronix electric ignition conversion, rebuilt the water pump, added all new brake lines, fuel lines, plugs and wires. We did a front and rear suspension rebuild along with a new set of sway bars and rebuilt steering box. We added a dual master cylinder with four-wheel disc brakes. We also added a Fenton intake manifold with dual one-barrel carburetors, as well as a Fenton header which feeds into a custom dual exhaust system with glass backs.